Greetings and welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. We're coming at you with another meteorology segment here. We're starting things out looking at the surface winds of the Western world. We've got a strange ridge of wind happening here in the northern Atlantic, where the wind is just kind of stopping. Must be running into some massive air or something like that. Let's look at the jet streams here as there's a massive anticyclone over the Azores. There are the jet streams, and they are all over the place, blowing backwards over part of the North Atlantic here. Yowzers. Doubled up jet stream over the U.S. So quite a bit of chaos here in the jet streams of the Western world. Let's look at the Eastern world's jets. And the jet streams are probably the best feature to look at for, at a glance, determining global weather patterns. Huge anticyclone here over the southwestern Pacific. You can see that clockwise rotation. Counterclockwise rotation up here indicating a low over Siberia. Actually, that's China. That's China. Okay, China. Congratulations to Norway for winning the Olympics, basically. Norway and Germany winning more medals than anybody else by far. Norway and Germany roaching everybody in the Winter Olympics. All of those Vikings, they can do things in winter. Anyway, there are the surface winds of the Eastern world. Let's continue on. Next, your positive snow depth change forecast over the next 72 hours. We're expecting some heavy snows at places like Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Wisconsin, parts of Canada expected to see 3 feet. Yowzers. Also, the Rockies going to be coated once again. Heavy snows also expected for Washington and Oregon over the next 3 days. That's your 72-hour GFS positive snow depth change forecast. Let's continue on to look at the European model. So here's the next 12 hours on the European model. There's the next 24 hours. And there is the next 3 days. So a pretty similar forecast there. And when they line up that well, you can expect them to be correct. We've showed you the GFS. We've showed you the Euro. Here's weather.gov. If your county is lit up, click it. We've got blizzard warnings once again here in North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Winter storm warnings over much of Montana. Again, if your county's lit, just head to weather.gov and click your county. Here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper to show you the teeth of the storms. Most of the lightning is south of the equator. Let's take a look at a real-time lightning map here from lightningmaps.org. We show it daily. And lightningmaps.org could save your bacon. It'll show you where the active cells are. Are you just hearing thunder from 20 miles away? Or are you hearing thunder from giant clouds directly overhead? Lightningmaps.org can tell you. It'll even time thunderclaps so you can frighten the natives and convince them that you're Thor. If you'd like to convince somebody that you're Thor, maybe YouTube's a good place to view it. Congratulations on realizing this channel exists if you're viewing the videos on YouTube. Thank you for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. We originally streamed this video live to Twitch. Let's take a look at the life of the stream. Everything looks AOC. We've only got 134 followers on Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamatch. Go download the Twitch app. It's fantastic. It actually alerts you when we put up videos, thanks to our BitChute subscribers. We've been putting our meteorology segments on BitChute. And if you're only viewing the content on BitChute, you're missing most of it. Make sure you view on YouTube. You're missing the daily space weather content. Thanks to the Smash team, we replaced Patreon with a superior subscription services site, our own, smashomash.com/smash team. Welcome to the DO Renaissance. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. We're writing a paper about the solar cycles. Let's get back to meteorology. youtube.com/smashomash/videos. Here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. And we're going to speed things up here for the rest of the meteorology segment because we're running a little bit late today. So yeah, we've got some scrambled data there at the end. Trust me, folks, the water vapor didn't do that. The physics associated with the water vapor suddenly doing that would be globally catastrophic. Anyway, There's what's going on over the world's largest body of water and largest surface heat sink, the Pacific Ocean. If you don't know what's going on in the Pacific Ocean, you don't understand meteorology, climate, etc. Does Bo know the Pacific Ocean? Does Bo know Diddley? Does Bo Diddley know what's going on over the Pacific Ocean? Shout out to Bo Diddley if you're viewing the videos. Here's a U.S. Doppler radar map. We're going to focus on the lower 48 for the remainder of the video. There is the lower 48 scenario. Some snow and rain there over the northern portion of the U.S. Here's the shortwave radiation map. Check it out. Low clouds over the eastern seaboard once again and a bit over the western Gulf. And here's the water vapor scenario over the lower 48. You can expect pretty consistent movement here in all of those systems there. They're basically just moving west to east. My statement should be corroborated by the shortwave radiation map and by the water vapor. So in any case, thanks for tuning into our meteorology segment. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists, and I'll be gone. I'll be gone. To quote the Cardigans, from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.